Tired of dreading that costly roof replacement? What if you could save thousands and still keep your home protected? Switch Solar offers affordable roofing alternatives that give your roof a new lease on life without breaking the bank. Let's dive into these smart solutions to help you protect your wallet and home. Whether you're looking for durable asphalt shingles, classic concrete tiles, modern metal roofs, natural wood shakes, timeless slate, or high-performance TPO for commercial buildings, we've got you covered. Emergencies can take a toll on your finances. We're here to give you peace of pocket. Don't worry, we can bill directly to your insurance company, helping you handle unexpected roofing costs without the stress. We believe a new roof or solar project shouldn't drain your wallet. That's why we offer flexible financing options tailored to your needs. Unsecured and home equity loans, 12 months with no payments, low FICO score requirements, roofing and solar financing combined, up to 15 years terms. Getting your home's protection has never been easier or more affordable. A free inspection today can save you thousands in future repairs. Don't wait to protect your home and upgrade your roof. Get a free ballpark quote from today and take the first step toward a new, affordable roof for your property.